Stand, both of you, Gary and Thingy, stand still. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stand still. Stand still. Don't stop. Stop moving. Oh, I type slash balance.
Stand still.
You battering round the door, so you can die already. Excuse me, I said type slash balance.
Face the wall over there.
Yeah. You didn't follow my commands. There we go.
Yeah, disenchantment.
Hello. Oh, not again.
Add you to the Discord.
For God's sake. What are you doing? I said type slash balance and you dropped 20k, so I killed you. Oh my god. That's irrelevant. You didn't follow my commands, so you did. No, it's not. I said type slash balance. This is a mug. I even put that in chat, and you did slash drop 20k. That's not slash balance. That's irrelevant. You didn't follow it the first time. Get out, man. Honestly. Get out.
Yeah, disenchantment. What's your name on Discord?
Oh, fuck off.
Disenchantment. What's your name on Discord? Quick.
Hold on. I don't know. It's some Chinese symbol.
Okay, I'm trying to invite you to our server. And then to
They fucking. You're not gonna get down with us for now. Hold on.
Yeah, if I tell you to do slash balance and you drop 20k, that's not following my command, so I can kill you for that. Well, look at your chat. I said this is a mug. Type slash balance. And you dropped 20k instead of doing slash balance. Doing it afterwards is not following my commands. Therefore, I can kill you. Can't even drop it, man. You can unmute me if you want, you know, because, you know, you're meant to
No.
gag if you don't want me to talk in voice chat, not mute.
No, you're gonna get Dan into a Discord and he's gonna tell you what to do, which is not allowed.
Who's Dan? I'm not talking to Dan.
Oh, that was why he was asking for your Discord in the gun shop right before I told you.
Why would I need him? I know what I did. I know what I did was right. And you know that. I have a recording if you want that. You didn't follow my commands. I told you in voice chat and in normal chat to type /balance. You did drop money 20k. That's not doing /balance. Doing /balance isn't what I said to do afterwards, is it? So I killed you for that.
Mate, I did /balance.
Yes,
in chat.
but
I
you,
followed your
yeah,
command.
mate, you did /drop 20k
So you
afterwards.
You do agree that I did.
Right, unmute me and look at the or scroll up in chat and look at what I put in the mug bind. Do /balance and drop it all. You didn't drop it all. You just did drop 20k. That's not what I said. So I killed you for that.